Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. This is the ride before the storm. Yeah, so let's go check it out and see what's going on here. I'm also riding a brand new bike. Ooh, you know what? Ah, I think I need to raise this seat. I'll show you more about this bike in just a moment. Yeah, let's get this seat up here. That's kind of a cool color, I just noticed that. It's like a really dark chocolate brown color. In the garage it just kind of looked like it was black, but it's not. All right. Let's get this thing kicked up here. Yeah, so anyway, we got the Hurricane Heline coming, and she's supposed to go around us a little bit and go in further north, so we're only supposed to get like 50-mile-an-hour winds here or something, but don't know yet. Still a lot that's undecided. The exact path is undecided, so we don't know what's going to happen. Just kind of getting ready for it and whatever might happen. It's supposed to be Category 3. Of course, by the time you see this video, it could be, I don't know, in the middle of it or already over. I don't know. But Category 3 for sure, possibly Category 4. So we thought, make a quick video going around the neighborhood before the storm, maybe do something after the storm, compare videos, I don't know. We'll have to see. So what am I riding? I am riding a new bike. This is the Full Care Gemini, and I will share more with you in another video here soon, because in just a couple minutes I'm actually going to record a video about this bike. Yeah. So anyway, nice and peaceful around here at the moment. Hopefully it stays that way. Oh my goodness, this bike is pretty nice. I'm liking it. Quick too. Nice and smooth riding. People are out cutting their lawns, getting things ready because they know they might not be able to cut lawns for a few days, and all the rain we're going to get. Might as well have a nice looking lawn for when the storm comes ripping through here. Yeah, have any of you guys lived in Florida? I know some of you do, but I mean, you northerners, have you ever lived in the south, had to experience hurricanes? Let me know down below. We've been here about 6 years, so we had to deal with a few of them so far. So far, we've been very fortunate, no damage or anything like that. Always seem to kind of miss us a little bit. Oh my goodness, this bike is just smooth. I like it. I like it. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Just want to do a quick little short video for you. Zipping around the neighborhood, looking at what the neighborhood looks like now in case it doesn't look like this 2 days from now. So give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe.